When a relationship ends through betrayal, distance, or death, it feels like a piece of your soul is torn away. The pain is visceral, leaving you questioning if God sees your grief. Yet Scripture whispers, He is close to the brokenhearted, Psalm 34:18. Even now, He draws near. Loneliness amplifies the ache. Empty chairs, silenced laughter, these become monuments to loss. You may feel abandoned, but Isaiah 41:10 reminds us, God promises to uphold you with His righteous right hand. Your isolation is not ignored. Your tears are sacred to Him. Anger is a natural response to loss, even toward God. David cried out in Psalms, "How long, Lord?" Psalm 13, verse 1. Honest lament is not sin, it's an act of faith. God can handle your questions, your rage. Bring them to Him. He listens. Memories flood in, birthdays, inside jokes, shared dreams. The joy once felt now twists into sorrow. But 1 Corinthians 13:7 declares love endures all things. Those moments were real, and so is God's promise to redeem pain. Your past is not wasted. In the darkness, Scripture becomes a lifeline. Psalm 56:8 says, God collects our tears in a bottle. He knows each one. As you read His promises, light pierces the shadows. This is no platitude, it's divine intimacy. You are seen, known, and loved. Healing begins when we release our grip on the person, the pain, even the why. Proverbs 3:5-6 urges us to trust God's plan, not our understanding. Kneel in surrender, let go of what was, and cling to the one who holds your future. God often comforts through His people. A friend's silent presence, a shared meal, these embody Christ's love, 2 Corinthians 1:3-4. Community doesn't erase the pain, but it reminds you, you're not forgotten. The church is His hands and feet. One morning, you wake and notice it. The weight feels lighter. Lamentations 3:22-23 whispers of new mercies with each dawn. Maybe you donate old mementos or journal a prayer. This isn't betrayal, it's bravery. God is making all things new. Your story now comforts others. As you listen to a grieving friend, 2 Corinthians 1:6 comes alive. Your pain becomes a conduit for God's comfort. The very wound that once shattered you now binds another's heart. This is redemption in action. The relationship may end, but God's love never does. Romans 8:38-39 proclaims nothing, not death, betrayal, or time, can separate you from Him. The empty chair remains, but now a Bible rests on it. He fills the void. You are held always.